I didn't follow any strict restrictive diet. I ate when I was hungry, stopped when I was full, and made adjustments based on how my body felt. By practicing mindful eating, I was able to understand my body's hunger cues better. This helped me avoid overeating and feeling bloated. If I craved carbs, I didn't deny myself. I just made sure I was eating for nourishment, not out of boredom or stress. Of course, losing weight isn't just about what you eat. It's also about staying active. I didn't do anything extreme, but I made sure to move my body every day. Whether it was going for a walk, doing a quick workout, or even stretching, it helped me burn extra calories and feel good. Regular exercise boosted my metabolism and made me feel more energized throughout the day.